What's up, folks? Um, Give me a second. We want to also stream live on TikTok. So, yes, live. Okay, perfect. So, we are now live on TikTok and on YouTube. So, yeah, I guess we're ready now to rock and roll. Okay. So there's the business. Today's pre-market session. NQ, MNQ. Um, okay. That should be better now. Perfect. So let's start off at the daily chart. Remember, use June contract month, okay? Um, March contract month expires tomorrow, so yeah. Our bias for today is that we hopefully going to leave this consolidation fucking range and start spacing lower towards sell side here. Go to, or maybe we can do it for a second. Go to continuous charts for MNQ. Yeah, these relatively good lows are the target for the next few weeks or days or whatever, how long we are going to take to sweep these lows. Let's go back to June contract month. There you go. And in order for us to start the run towards sell side, we need to see a close below this midpoint and even better below this short-term low. Okay, so bias is definitely bearish. And yeah, go back to 1 minute chart. So these lines here are the daily wick, discount wick, quadrant levels, okay? And as you can see, we have no sell side liquidity to the left. We are in a complete downfall. So yeah, to be honest, if you go look at the opening range gap at the RTH chart, let's delete these daily wick levels for a second. And also, yeah. So we have opening range gap. I would prefer price not to just dump to the downside, but to retrace up into opening range gap, maybe fill it in completely, and then leave it again to give some kind of premium array. Because yeah, I think today might be the day where we are going to finally leave the daily consolidation level, consolidation range. So hopefully we do so. And yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I guess. Wait. Let me look it up for a second. I don't know. I can't quite remember the economic calendar for today. So open up Forex Factory and Thursday, March 19th. So We have 10 a.m. new home sales, medium impact news. So yeah, let's see how this going to pan out. Whenever I expect price to just run one directional, um, I would like to wait until at least 950 to 10 macro. Um, because wait, let me check if the audio is actually working. Okay, should be fine. Mm, I don't know why this is not working. Okay, whatever. I cannot I cannot see the chat right now. Yeah. Anyways. So yeah, I hope to see some kind of premium array being traded up into. Um, on the electronic trading hours, we have this beautiful buy side. This also aligns with opening range gap midpoint. Okay, so that would be a beautiful buy side liquidity pool. Also providing a premium array that we can short from. So yeah, that's the game plan for today. Bias is bearish. We want to see these relatively equal highs be taken out. And yeah, let's see. Okay, price is moving. Inverse for value gap. I know ICT says look for first position for value gaps after 931. He gave some specific rules to yeah, when to use the 930 for value gap as the first position for value gap. And I guess that's kind of the same the case for today. Um, I'm still looking for another busy first position for value gap, but this might be it, because if you go back to the opening range gap, um, we had a huge opening range gap, and also this candle took out sell side. So yeah, I'm not quite sure about this one, but nevertheless, that's a significant displacement, so it's still worthy to be Noted. And that should give us the price run high into these relatively equal highs. Let's see. So I don't know why the 30-second chart is not showing right now. Go back. There you go. Okay. So 15-second chart is open right here. Let's see. So for now, didn't really do much. If we get a close above this fair value gap, we are likely to see price take out these relatively equal highs. Let's see where this closes. Okay. What's up, bro? Okay. So price still respecting this week's midpoint. Hmm. eyesight taken? Not yet. So bicep has been taken. Now the question is, are we going to see a gap fill, or does it just want to trade up into the opening range gap midpoint? We failed to climb up into the midpoint so far, so that's even more weakness. Bro, I'm looking for the first percent Favati gap, but this one is too small. This one is also too small. Maybe this one, but I would prefer the first percent Favati gap rather look like this, like a real displacement. Let's see. Seems like smart money is accumulating shorts. Maybe we could see another run up higher, like a double perch, and then revert. So yeah, I'm waiting for a displacement. They could potentially bring us below this Favali gap and below this one, this short term low. But yeah, we could see another run higher, take out this high again. trade up into the opening range gap midpoint and then reverse. $9.59. If we can see a real displacement above this high, that would be even better. And then turnover, market structure shift, inverse fair value gap, touch it, and then go lower. Something like that. I think none of these were are first percent fair value gaps. These are like, they're just too insignificant. Okay, there you go. Double purge. Relatively equal highs taken out with this run higher. Okay, so anything above here um, is unnecessary if we trade up higher. Um, like I told you, we could see a run up higher into these relatively equal highs. This level right here also aligns more or less with the opening range gap high. Um, but I would prefer just to roll over. We trade up into the opening range gap midpoint. Okay, so if we turn over here and trade outside the opening range gap low, that would indicate weakness because we've left this portion of the opening range gap open. So yeah, let's see. Volatility is also not too crazy. Oh, okay, never mind. These candles just didn't look too big, but this run up already is about 60 handles big, so that's crazy. Um, so that would be a beautiful order block breaker if we actually manage to see a market structure shift. So let's see. Give me a second. I'm right back. There you go. There it is, my man. Okay, never mind. Hmm. Still waiting for the market structure shift. Um, or maybe a full gap closure, taking out relatively equal highs here. Um, that would also be pre-market high, and yeah. Bro, I just wait. I just wait. Mm. Bro, it's why is it's too fucking cold. If it breaks down lower now, I wouldn't necessarily trust it. Um, because in my opinion, uh, if you take out buy side, if that's the real buy side, smart money wouldn't take too much time to deliver sell side because you would have taken buy side. So retail trader are stopped out. Okay, so if it's not urgent to deliver sell side delivery now, I guess this could maybe not be wrong, but not the right time right now. So it's 10:09, 10:09. Um, yeah. I would have preferred price to take out buy side once, maybe twice, but then see a real urgency to reach down for the sell side, and this doesn't look too urgent. I don't know, that's not quick, in my opinion at least. So let's see. No reason to rush into a trade. So yeah, I would like to see another attempt up higher to view like a bull flag. So that's a retail concept, bull flag to trick people along, and then we are going to see a sharp displacement lower if the time is right. What time are we waiting for? So we are in the 10 to 11 a.m. time window, so time for silver bullet. But I actually want to wait for 10:30 now, since nothing really happened. So I'd like to wait after uh, the first 60 minutes of trading are over. So 10:30, after 10:30, the first hour of trading is done, and I usually wait for 10:30 if my setup didn't appear during the 9:50 to 10:10 macro. It's not that you shouldn't take a trade between 10:10 and 10:30, but that's usually a good, yeah, time to wait for after the 9:50 to 10:10 macro. Usually, um, there's nothing happening too crazy between 10:10 and 10:30, so I would rather wait for 10:30, and if not even 10:50. Of course, if my setup's now presenting itself before 10:30, I guess I would take it if it looks good. Um, but this remains to be seen. So fake bull flag, retail going long right now. Mm, seems like Venom model. Um, Everybody who knows or is familiar with ICT Venom model, we may see that we had a displacement up higher, one candle in between, and yeah, a displacement lower. Bro, I bet ICT went short in here. Or in here. Using that as an inverse five-value gap. I want to see. Actually, we've done enough on the buy side. We have a 3 drives pattern, so we've taken out buy side once, taken out this high and this high. So we have 1, 2, 3 highs. Fake fake bull flag. Um it's 10:17. Am I shorting now or am I waiting for more confirmation? Um that's a question. Because that looks like low risk sell, smart money, sell model. Bro, but I don't like stop loss. 40 handles. Mm, that's huge. So that's your low risk sell. Do we see a displacement now? Okay, so it's 10, 19. I don't I don't really like the time, but that's a high probability auto block here. Mm. I could be wrong, but being a trader, you have to embrace uncertainty and yeah, that's what I do right now. Bro, all these lines. There's too much on the chart. Let's see a displacement. So now we want to see price. Use this as inverse fair value gap. And leave the opening range gap high, which is this one. Okay, that's the open. You want to see price close below that level. So that's 9:30 opening. Okay, we want to see price digging into this fair value gap. So actually I don't want price to come back up again, so I'm reducing my risk above the midpoint of this inverse fair value gap. I don't want to rush to trade my stop loss below break even, because in these types of environments the market's just too volatile and it could easily spike up into the order block again and then go lower. So I'm fine with where my stop loss is. Um, I would like to see this fair value gap to stay open. That would be great. That would be fuel to our trade setup. Okay, that's way bigger. Don't forget to include the volume balance. Now you want to see price respect the upper half, stay in the lower half. It already traded up into the midpoint. So yeah, that's a weakness. If we see the body even close below that fair value gap, now I want to see price dig in into this fair value gap and also close below the 9:30 open level. That would be great. Let's see. see how we only were able to wake up higher into the Fair Valley Gap, into the midpoint, but see where the body closes. So that's weakness. So we want to see price now dig into this Fair Valley Gap. If I see a displacement below this short-term low into this Fair Valley Gap, I trade my stop loss below break even. Okay. There you go. Now it's a risk-free trade. If I had two micros on, I would have take a partial at the midpoint of this first percent Fair Valley Gap. But since I'm only short one contract, I would like to hold for this low because I really think that we could see a dump today, lower, exploring exploring March 9th low on the daily. So let's see. Yeah, we could have added in here one contract that would allow us to take partial, but yeah, let's see. For now it's respecting the upper quadrant. Again, Fair Valley Gap in here. 9:30 opening price here. Want to see the body close below it. Okay, body closure below. That's also indicating weakness right now. If the body stay below this 9:30 opening price, that's what we want to see. I don't like how we respected this first percent Fair Valley Gap upper quadrant to the tick. I want to see price dig into it deeper and eventually use it as a reclaimed bearish Fair Valley Gap. But we see. It's a risk-free trade, so we could also see another spike up into this in here, this Fair Valley Gap. Since we are on a daily still in high resistance liquidity run conditions, you could or you should expect deeper tracements. That's why you shouldn't rush to trade your stop loss. Yeah, I've put it at break even. We could also see maybe it stop me out and then resume lower again. But yeah, let's see. Okay. Auto block. The only thing that is protecting my stop loss now is the auto block. Okay, got it. Okay, whatever. Stopped out at break even. Um, yeah. Let's see. It's 10:30, so let's watch this first presented at this inverse value gap. Yeah, this that's what I mean. Respect this order block open level. Stop me out. Um, Now if it wants to resume lower, it should respect the upper half and only use the lower half. It could wake up higher, but bodies should stay in the lower half. But I guess it's not looking too bearish right now, so we'll see. That's crazy. That's a crazy run up higher. Uh, that wasn't good. I wanted to see price dig into the Savali gap. It didn't. It just completely respected the upper quadrant. So I thought, yeah, we might see a deeper retracement into this Favali gap, but yeah, I didn't expect the price to come all the way up higher into it again. That's the reason why I'm completely content with trading my stop loss below break even. Because in my opinion, this would have been enough if we are correct with our buys. That run into this Favali gap as a retracement would have been enough to resume lower. Any trade higher. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's definitely not an easy environment to be trading in right now, but we do our best. Um, yeah, man, it could have been a beautiful trade. But yeah, beautiful execution, in my opinion. Sniper entry right there before the move lower. So we had actually, we were in profit. 180 bucks. Not bad. That's not bad at all. And we risked 70. So around about 2.5 risk to reward. I mean, I really can't say that I was greedy. As like I told you, I would have taken, if I had two micros on, I would have taken a partial at the midpoint. It did not even trade down into the midpoint, so yeah. In my opinion, I definitely managed the trade properly. So that's just, bro, I don't know. This came out of nowhere. This is so random, this run. Dang. Bro, I haven't eaten in for like 18 hours. I'm kind of hungry now. So, bro, what the heck's this move? Ten 41. Bro, not even yesterday. Yesterday we were expecting FOMC at 2 p.m. and not even yesterday. Um, we had that far of a retracement back up again. So I mean, it still respected the order block at the end of the day in here. So today, okay, mm, no, today we didn't respect the order block, but bro, we reached up into the rejection block, so that's more or less disrespecting. and going against the underlying bias, definitely. So, um, and yesterday it hadn't moved this far to the downside. We had like smart money reversal, kind of a consolidation, a little retracement up higher, and then it gave up the ghost and went lower. And yeah, today we've seen a sharp displacement lower. So definitely thought prices reversing, invert using this fair value gap as a reclaimed bearish fair value gap. Uh, well, I'm contemplating whether or not it was greedy for me to hold for more than this first percent fair value gap. I mean, technically we still are in the consolidation range, but today's day looks like we could break out of it. So I thought, okay, maybe today's a day where we could hold for a sustained price run lower. But as you can see, maybe today is not the day. We'll see. So beautiful relatively equal highs. 10:45. So I could imagine another run up higher into these highs. And then take out these relatively equal lows. I mean, we did not even take out that short-term low, so I think I managed to trade properly. Stop loss below break even. Yeah, that's just unfortunate, but shit happens, you know. It looks like I don't want to re-enter in this environment, in this market structure. I mean, if that's not the smart money reversal, um, then I don't know what price is trying to do in here. Still inside this range, relatively equal lows, relatively equal highs. So we have both sides. So yeah, maybe we should have. I mean, should have, could have, would have. In the end of the day, that's the result of my decisions. Um, but I'm just trying to review my trade and maybe look for a better trade management. I'm thinking about maybe not only putting my stop loss below break even. Actually, I wanted price to respect this fair value gap in here and dig deeper into this first percent fair value gap. Um, because like I told you, if my bias was correct, bro, it shouldn't retrace all the way up higher into my stop loss. That was break even at the time, so I could have either put my stop loss. I mean, my stop loss was already at the order block high here, so my stop loss was definitely reasonable. So I'm thinking about maybe kind of strangling the trade to even secure some kind of profit. Hmm. Yeah, bro, it's difficult trading with one micro. It's definitely difficult. The trade management is just um, way more difficult than trading with two micros. Obviously, because with one micro you are either holding on to a trade or you closing your position completely. With two micros, yeah, I could have just taken profits in here and then trading my stop loss. But yeah, going short in here initially with two micros. I don't want to have too much risk. So I mean, 35 handles. That's a reasonable stop loss, risking 60 or 70 bucks. Um, 1050. So yeah, I guess that's the session for today. I don't think there's anything of value for us, for me to look for a trade. So yeah, I mean that's unfortunate, bro. This really looked beautiful. Look where the body's closed, wicked up higher into midpoint, went lower. Hmm. Yes, sir. Uh, bro, I guess I'm content. Um, yeah, let's just see what the remaining portion, the remaining 9 minutes, are going to offer. I don't think I'm re-entering, but maybe we could see a sweep. They go to relatively equal highs, and yeah, there's some beautiful sell side down there. So so if you let's see, when did this happen? 9:28, 29, 30. So that's the first hour of trading, high to low, and it just, yeah, dove into discount. Unfortunately, also respect a discount array. So yeah, whatever. So I guess, boys and girls, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I guess we see each other tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. So be safe. I catch you in the next one.